Happy birthday, Ate Bea! Hope you had a blast. Bye-bye. We love you. More birthdays to come.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Wish.
Hmm?
Wish mo.
Wish you all the best. Bye. Hi, Mea. Happy 18th birthday. Sayang wala ako dyan eh. Escortan sana kita eh. Pero okay lang. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. God bless. Hello lang kay Tita Malu.
Bea, happy birthday, baby. Malapit na rin si Kuya Christian. Dalaga
Nauna
ka
nga.
na. Pakilala mo sa aming boyfriend mo, ha. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mea! Tama ko si Fiona. Happy birthday! Wish ko tapos ka na yung pag-aaral. Saka mabait na bata ka naman eh. Ingat ka dyan ha, Mea. Kumusta kay mama mo at kay papa mo? God bless! Happy birthday ulit! Bye-bye! Ate Mea, good health. Success in your life.
More birthdays to come.
Hello, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Mea!
Happy birthday, Mea. Wish you good health, happiness in life, and of course, more birthdays to come. Wish you.
Hi, Mayor. Thank you for your invitation. I hope your 18th birthday will be a happy one. May God bless you and may you be successful in all your future ambition. Regards.
I'm sending you my best wishes and I hope that you flow through the day with a big smile on your face. Happy birthday, Ate Mea.
Birthday. Wow, grabe. Parang kailan lang naglalaro pa kayo nila kay Ann. Pero ngayon, dalaga ka na. Ito lang ang wish ko sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. At sana, mag-aral ka mabuti at sumunod ka palagi sa mga payo ng magulang mo. Dahil wala silang hinahanap sa'yo, kundi ang magiging mabuti kang anak. Oo nga pala. Nasabi sa akin na paborito mo yung Catch the Believing Magic. Kaya ito ang iaalay namin para sa'yo. Mea.
Nagustuhan mo ba yung kanta ng tito mo? Favorite mo daw kasi yun eh, kaya yun yung pinilit niyang kantahin. Anyway, ngayon, certified lady ka na. I hope on this special day, I wish you all the best and all the joy that you can ever have. May you have a fantastic birthday and more to come.
At teka, sandali lang. Hindi pa dyan natatapos ang pagbati namin. Dahil andito pa ang 18 stars na makikibati sa'yo.
Hi Mayan, it's Showtime. How are you? Happy 18th birthday. I'm so sorry I can't go to New Zealand for you, but happy birthday. Rock and roll. Happy 18th birthday, Maya San Andres. And syempre, itong wish ko sa'yo, sana marami pang birthday na dumating. And sana mag-aral ka mabuti. And God bless. Thank you.
Hey, what's up, Maya San Andreas? Happy 18th birthday. I'm Robert Domingo.
And my baby.
Alright, since the message ko sa'yo, dahil 18 years old ka na, pwede ka na. Pwede ka na bumoto. So you said inevitable right to change side yun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, May San Andres. I wish you the best. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Maya, happy 18th birthday. Take care. God bless.
Hi, May San Andres. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Maya San Andres. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Yung birthday to come, lagi ka take care ka na. Birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Maya San Andres. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to at lagi mong tatandaan, ang buhay ay weather na.
Hi, Maya San Andres. Happy birthday sa iyo. God bless you.
Hi Maya, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. May God bless you and enjoy your birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, May San Andres. God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday, Maya San Andres. Good luck sa trip mo and mag-enjoy ka. Ingat palagi.
Hi Maya San Andres, happy 18th birthday. Ibig sabihin, di mo na enjoy mo na. Wish you the best. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Maya San Andres. I wish you more blessings to come. And sana, work, study hard. Lalo ka makinig sa mga parents mo. And sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo. Sana lagi ka pumunod na unleash sa 5:45 p.m. bago pumunod. Thank you po. Mga love ya.
Hi, May San Andres. Happy 18th birthday. Ayan, it's your special day. Sana ma-enjoy mo yan. Kaya nagdalaga ka na.
Hi, Maya San Andres. Happy 18th birthday sa iyo. God bless and enjoy the party. Yeah.
Hi, Maya San Andres. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy birthday mo. At God bless and
Akala nyo mga artista pa rin. Tito at tita ni Maya to. Muli, mula dito sa Pilipinas, ang mainit na pagbati namin ng Happy 18th birthday, Maya